Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's session. Children, last class we discussed about what is constant, what is variable and what is the use of alphabets, how we can use the alphabets while writing the unknown values, how to express the unknown values with the help of alphabets, and what is expression, what is algebraic expression. We learned all this concept in previous class, and today class we are going to learn using expressions practically. We know what is expression, and today class let's see how we can use the expressions practically in our daily life. What is the importance of these expressions, where we can use the expressions practically. Let us see with the help of some examples. And before going to examples, let me recall once what is mean by expression. What is mean by expression, beta? What we discussed about this word expression? Sir, expression is nothing but collection of terms. I mean, it is the collection of constants, alphabets, and four fundamental operations which are called plus, minus, into, division. What is it beta here? Expression is nothing but it is the collection of, or it is made up of. Expression is made up of numbers. Expression is made up of numbers, I mean constants, and also alphabets, variables, and four fundamental operations plus, minus, into, division. Yes, an expression is made up of constants, variables, and four fundamental operations. Here constants are nothing but fixed values. We can represent the constants by using numbers. Variables are nothing but there is no fixed value, and to represent the variables we can use the alphabets. So this expression is made up of constants, I mean numbers, variables, I mean alphabets, and these operations. Let us see some example. Let me take here 3x, one expression which contains constant, variables, I mean which contains numbers, alphabets, and which operation we are using here? Multiplication. In between no symbol, into symbol is there. We are using the multiplication. Expression is formed by number, alphabet, and operation. Let me take one more. 7y minus 17. It is also an expression which is made up of constants and variable and operation. Here the constants are 7, 17, and the variable is y. And which operation we took better? Here we took multiplication, and here we took subtraction. So with the help of constants and variables and these operations, this expression is formed. Hope it is clear now. What is mean by expression? Expression is made up of numbers, alphabets, and operations. Let me take an example. Beta p by 3. Even this also expression. It is made up of variable, constant, and one of the operation called division. Now let us see how we can write the expressions in daily life situations. When we can use these operations, let us see here. Suppose in the statement if they said more than, greater than, you can use the word plus. Suppose Ravi age is 10 years. Rahul age is 5 years more than Rahul. So what we can say now? We can add 10 here. So when they said more than or greater than, you can use the word plus. And when we can use minus better, less than or younger. Suppose Kashi age is 5 years. Sai age is 2 years younger than Kashi. Here 5. 2 years younger means what? 5 minus 2 which gives 3. So when they will use the word younger, less than, you can use the word minus. When we can use the plus better, when they said more than, greater than, older than, you can use the word plus. When we can use multiplication, 5 times of x. Suppose they said here 5 times of 20. 5 times of 20. 5 into 5 times of nothing but 5 into 20. So they will say 2 times of x, 3 times of x, twice x. In such case, we can use the operation into. So division they will tell you it is divided by so and so number. In such case you can do the operation. So now here we need to read the situation, and based on that we need to write the suitable expression by using constants, variables and operations. Let us see how to write the expressions practically with the help of some examples. Yes, here we have some situations. We try to write as an expression. Here you can see what situations. First one, Sarita has 10 marbles more than Amina. Sarita has 10 marbles. Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. I said clearly just now, when we have more than, greater than, which operation we can use beta? Plus symbol. Less than, we can use minus symbol. They said here more, so we can use plus symbol. See here, Sarita has 10 marbles. Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. Here, if suppose Amina has 20 marbles, then tell me how many marbles are there in Sarita? 10 more than 20. 10 plus 20 plus 10, which gives us 30. Here we can see clearly number of marbles with Sarita is depend on the number of marbles with Amina. If I know the number of marbles with Amina, I can find easily marbles with Sarita. How? By adding 10. But here Amina, number of marbles with Amina is unknown value. How can you express that unknown value? With the help of alphabets. Okay. Now let us see first one here. Here will come from backwards. We don't know what is, number of marbles with Amina. If I know the number of marbles with Amina, I can find easily marbles with Sarita by adding 10. So this unknown quantity I want to express with the help of alphabets. So we take here, let number of marbles. Let number of marbles. Let number of marbles with Amina. So how many marbles are there with Amina? We don't know. It is the unknown value. So let me take some alphabet X. So if she has how many marbles? X number of marbles. X number of marbles. Now we'll find out how many marbles are there with Sarita. Yes, we'll write here number of marbles. Number of marbles with Sarita. Number of marbles with Sarita is equal to what does it beta? 10 marbles. You can write here 10 marbles more than, yes, 10 marbles more than Amina. 10 marbles more than marbles with Amina. Marbles with who beta? Amina. Now we'll find out how many marbles are there with Sarita beta here. Yes, will come from backwards. Children, can you tell me how many marbles are there with Amina? We took just now number of marbles with Amina is X. 10 more than X. How can you write 10 more than X? Always will come from backwards. Write X first. 10 more than. So 10 more than means we'll write plus 10. We'll write plus 10. So we can write here number of marbles. Yes, number of marbles with Sarita. Number of marbles with Sarita. How many marbles are there? X minus 10. Suppose Amina has 50 marbles. Sarita has 50 plus 10, 60 marbles. Amina has 100 marbles. Sarita has 10 more than 100. 100 plus 10, 110 marbles. Like that, we can write the expression. Now in this expression, we can see the constant, variable and operation also. As I said, expression is formed by constants, alphabets and operations. Let us see one more. Second one we have Raju father age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju age. Here the father age is depend on Raju age. If I know the Raju age, we can find the father age. Suppose Raju age is 10 years. 3 times of 10. What is mean by time? If the Raju age is 10 years, his father age is 32 years. It means the father age is depend on Raju age. If I know the Raju age, I can find the father age. Here the unknown value is Raju age, and this unknown value we'll try to express with the help of alphabets. Let Raju age is equal to, we'll take alphabet, I will write here YES. Now tell me what is his father age? We can write here Raju. Yes, Raju father age. Raju father age is equal to what they say better? 2 years more than 2 years more than 3 times Raju age. 3 times of Raju age. Now this will write as expression. So when you are writing the expression, try to come from backwards. What is Raju age? We took it is YES. It is YES. 3 times of Y. Times of means what I said, which operation? Into, more than, plus, greater than, plus, less than, minus, times of, into. 3 times of Y. We can write 3 into Y. Yes, we can write here 3 into Y. 2 more it seems. 2 more means plus, more than means plus symbol. How many more? 2 more. So 3 into Y plus 2 years. So this is father age. You write here Raju father age. Yes, Raju father age is how many? 3 into Y plus 2 years. If Raju age suppose 20 years, it means Y is equal to 20 years. 3 into 20, 60. 60 plus 2, 62 years. When the Raju age is 20 years, his father age is 62 years. Like that we can find. Okay. Now we can see third one. Price of wheat per kg is 5 rupees less than. Which operation we can take better for less than? Minus price of rice per kg. Here the wheat price is depend on rice price. If suppose the cost of 1 kg rice is 40 rupees, what is the cost of 1 kg wheat? 5 rupees less, 40 minus 5, 35 rupees. It means here the wheat price is depend on rice price. If I know the rice price, I can write the wheat price also. So here the unknown value is what? Cost of the rice per kg. It is the unknown value. So this unknown value will express with the help of alphabet. Let's write here cost of rice. Cost of rice per kg. Per 1 kg how many rupees? We don't know. It is some rupees p. It is from rupees p. And now we'll find out cost of wheat per kg. Cost of wheat per kg is equal to 5 rupees less than. Yes. What is it? Rupees 5 less than cost of rice per kg. Just I wrote the question but as it is nothing I did. Just unknown quantity I took some alphabet. Now we write the expression better. Come from backwards. Rice per kg we took p rupees. We took it is p rupees. Now tell me 5 less than p. How can I write 5 less than p? Come from backwards. First you can write p. 5 less than minus 5. So p minus 5 rupees p minus 5. Now we write here cost of wheat per kg is equal to p minus 5 rupees. If the rice per kg is 50 rupees, wheat per kg is 50 minus 5, 45 rupees. Here 100 rupees, here 95 rupees. Hope it is clear to all. We can write the expression by using numbers, alphabets and 4 fundamental operations. Children, here we have some statements. We will try to express them as an expression by using constants, variables and operations. Here from exercise 11.4, first bit you can see beta. A rectangular box has height h centimeter. Here we have one rectangular box. Rectangular box you can see here. It is like a rectangular box. Can you tell me what is the shape of rectangular box? What do we call its shape? It is in cuboid shape. It is in cuboid shape. If it is square box, we can use the word cube. Rectangular box means it is called cuboid. Children, you know about this cuboid. It is the three-dimensional figure which has length, breadth and height. It has three dimensions which are length, breadth and height. It is called rectangular box. Is also called as cuboid. Rectangular box height h centimeters. What is the height beta? H centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height. Length is depend on height. Length is 5 times of height. Suppose height is 10, length is 50. 5 times of 10, 5 into 10, 50. And the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of height. In terms of height. So generally we take length, breadth, height as LBH, but here length is depend on height, even breadth is depend on length. In question they said rectangular box has height h centimeter. What is the height beta? H centimeter. Sorry, we write here height of rectangular box. Height of rectangular box is equal to h centimeter. Now what is the length beta? Length is 5 times the height. So they said length is equal to what they said beta? 5 times of, so they said 5 times the height. They said it is 5 times the height. Is equal, already we know height is h centimeter. Height is h centimeter. How can I write 5 times of it? 5 times of h. Which operation we can do? Take times of means I said into 5 times of h. We can write 5 into h centimeter. So this is the length. What we can write beta? 5 into h. We can write 5h. Length is equal to 5h centimeter. Yes, we got the length. And next, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Now we write here breadth. Breadth of rectangular box. Breadth of rectangular box is equal to what they say beta? 10 centimeter. Yes, it is 10 centimeter less than the length. 10 centimeter less than the length. Now we need to write breadth in terms of h. You come from backwards, always I said length. Just now we got which is 5h centimeters. What is the length beta? 5h centimeter. Now 10 centimeter less than, we can write the operation minus. 10 centimeter less than 5h. Come from backwards, we write in 5h. 10 less minus 10 will write, and it is centimeters. Yes, now we got breadth of rectangle. What we got beta? Breadth of rectangle we got, which is in terms of h. In terms of h. Question what they say beta here? Length and breadth of box in terms of height. Length in terms of height. Breadth in terms of height. Like the correct expression. Let us see one more. A bus travels V km per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bijpur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bijpur is still 10 kilometers away. After traveling 5 hours to reach Bijpur, still they want to travel 20 kilometers distance. What is the distance from Daspur to Bijpur? Express it using V. Using alphabet V, asking to express what is the distance from Daspur to Bijpur. You can see it here. Let us go with some practical. Like let us take some figure. This is the village which is called Daspur. It is Daspur. So they are traveling. Bus is traveling from Daspur to Bijpur. Daspur to Bijpur. Yes. Now what is it here? A bus travel V km per hour. So given what they given here? Distance. Yes. Distance traveled. Distance traveled by bus in 1 hour. In how many hours? 1 hour. So how much distance is traveled by 1 hour? Sir, V kilometer per hour. 1 hour it is going to travel how many kilometers? V kilometers. Now you see from Daspur to Bijpur after bus has traveled 5 hours. So suppose here we have one bus now. Here we have the bus. This is the village. Traveled from Daspur to till here. Samjho? Till here it is traveled. How many hours it took to travel from here to here? 5 hours. So after traveling 5 hours also, how much distance away from Bijpur? 20 kilometers. Now the bus is, this is the bus pedal. Now the bus is 20 kilometers away from the Bijpur. It means from bus to Bijpur is still 20 kilometers is there. 20 kilometers is there. Now can you tell me what is the distance from here to here? They said clearly 1 hour it is going to travel V kilometers. 2 hours 2 into V kilometers. 3 hours 3 into V kilometers. 5 hours 5 into V kilometers. It becomes 5V. So from here to here 5V, from here to here 20. The total distance from Daspur to Bijpur is 5V plus 20. Like that you can find better. Yes. Now I can write distance traveled by bus in how many hours? In 5 hours is equal to. So 1 hour V kilometers, 5 hours 5 into V kilometers. So this the distance is 5 into V, we can write 5V kilometers. Now we can write distance from here to kilometer. So distance from Daspur to Bijpur. Distance from Daspur to Bijpur is from here to here 5 kilometers plus 20. So the distance is 5V plus 20 kilometers. Like that we can write the expressions with the help of numbers, alphabets and operations. Children, here we have some more expressions, some more statements, we'll try to write them in expressions with the help of numbers, variables and operations. You can see better a solution. Here we have second one from exercise 11.4. Change following statement using expressions. By using expression you have to change this. A notebook cost is rupees P, a book cost is rupees 3P. So how can I write this? So this we can write as a book cost is 3 times of notebook cost. A book cost is 3 times of notebook cost. Here they said here A1 will take cost of book, cost of notebook, cost of notebook is equal to rupees P we can write, and cost of book is, a book cost is 30 rupees, and we can write here cost of book is 3P. How can I write 3P? 3 into P, in between no symbol, into beta is 3 times of P. Cost of book is 3 times of P we can write, or 3 times of notebook you can write. What is mean by P? Cost of notebook, no? We'll write 3 times of cost of notebook. 3 times of cost of notebook. Here they gave expression beta, we have to write the statement. I wrote the statement here, you can see. And you can see next B1 beta. Z2 is Z years old. So let me write here, given Z2 age is equal to how much? X years. Z2 age is equal to X years. And his uncle age, what about his uncle age? Which is 4Z years. 4Z years. What about his aunt age is 4Z minus 3. Its auntie age is 4Z minus 3 years. Uncle age is 4. In between no symbol, into beta. Into we can use the word 4 times of Z. What is mean by Z? Z2 age. Sorry, Z2 age is said Z years. So uncle age is 4 times of Z2 age. Suppose Z2 10 years, uncle is 4 into 10, 40 years. And what about his aunt age? 3 years less than his uncle age. Now uncle age 40 said no, aunt age is 37 years. 40 minus 3. So uncle age is 4 times of Z2 age and auntie age is 3 years less than uncle age. Now this will write as a statement. How can I write it here? Uncle age is 4 times of Z. Uncle age is 4 times of, what is mean by Z? Z2 age. 4 times of Z2 age. What about auntie age? We can write here now auntie age. So aunt age is 3 years younger. For age we can use the word younger. Generally minus nothing but less than only. But here age no, we use the word younger. So aunt age is 3 years younger than 3 years younger than whom? Uncle age. So like that we can write as a statement. Let us see one more. Given Manu's age to be X years. What is Manu age? X years. Can you guess what X minus 2 show? X minus 2. It means less than X. Suppose here Manu age X, which means suppose X equal 20 years. What is X minus 2 beta? 20 minus 2, 18. So this shows that the age which is less than Manu's age. Generally whose age it will be less than Manu's age? Think about Manu's younger brother. Yes, maybe his younger brother age is 2 years less than Manu age. Not only younger brother, younger sister also. Possibility is there. So here this X minus 2, X equal 20. Suppose X minus 2 is 18. 18 years which is less than 20. So that age less than Manu age, we can imagine like it may be like his younger brother age or younger sister age. It may be her younger brother age or younger sister age. Can you guess what X plus 4 may show? X equal 20, suppose 20 plus 4, 24. 24 means more than Manu age. How many years? Only 4 years. 4 years more than Manu age. Generally whose age will be 4 years more than Manu age? Sir, it may be her elder brother or elder sister. Show that 3x plus 7 shows that. I took x equal 20. 3 into 20, 60. 60 plus 7, 20 years, 67 years. 20, 67. No chance for brother sister. It may be father here or mother here. It may be father or mother here. Yes. Now we will write as a statement. You can see better solution. Given Manu's age. Given Manu's age is equal to how many years? X years. And they said here X minus 2. So we can write X minus 2 shows younger brother age, it means it is less than Manu age. So less than Manu age means it may be her younger brother age or younger sister also. Younger sister age also possibility is there. And what about this x plus 4? What x plus 4 shows beta? 4 years more than Manu age. 4 years more. It means it may be her younger brother or younger sister. This x plus 4 shows that the age which is her younger brother, it may be younger brother. Why only 4 years more? No, it may be her younger brother age or younger sister age. Younger brother age or elder sister age. 3x plus 7, 3 times of Manu age and 7 years more. I took x equal, suppose Manu age 20 years, 3 into 20, 60 plus 7, 20 years, 67 years. Gap will be more and more. So no brother, no sister, no possibilities for brother sister age. It may be father age. It may be father age or mother age. It may be father age or mother age. Yes, today class we learn about expression and how the expression is going to form and how we can write the given statement as a expression and how we can write the given expressions as a statement and how we can use the expressions practically. We learned all this concept today class. I hope it is clear to you. Based on this knowledge, you try to complete the leftover problems from exercise 11.4. Thank you once again. We will meet in the next class.